Super bright design with 9 SMD high-quality 3030 LED chips per T15 backup bulb. About 1000 lumens per 921 LED bulb reverse light, 360 degrees uniform beam, 250% brighter than stock lights. Error-free plug-and-play, easy to install. Equipped with CANBUS driver, non-polarity, and instant-on capability with zero warm-up time. Long-life SEALIGHT LED backup bulb made of aircraft-grade 6063 aluminum. Fast heat dissipation, ensure the lifespan of the bulb up to 30,000 hours. Application: this LED reverse light is used for upgrading the stock reverse light, trunk lights, backup lights etc. 921 LED reverse light suit for socket 921 912, W16 with T15, etc. Interference-free. This backup light bulb's built-in smart IC driver ensures constant current, no radio interference. Working power, 8.5 W. Top reviews from the United States. Satisfied. I just installed these reverse lights today, July 24, 2022. They are super bright in daytime, can't wait to see them later tonight. So far no error code in my 2015 Chrysler 200S, they are not usually happy with aftermarket LED bulbs. Love them. Just drove with these on July 25, 2022. The display says reverse light out, but it isn't. It does still work. I verified by putting parking brake and putting car in reverse. I stepped out to look and they are on. I could live with the error message.